Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Engineers Live. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, I'm going to share all the ideas, insight, tools and tactics that will help you to go from whatever level you are currently in the software industry, okay, to the epic level of success. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe to this channel and let us begin. How to tell manager that I have learned new technology over than learning in a project work and want new role and brand new salary. See, every company during the appraisal period will ask you what you have learned in the last 1 year, 6 months. Most of the big companies do it. Most of the popular companies do it. So you tell your manager during the appraisal that, manager, this is what I have learned new. Can you put me on a new project? Provided those kinds of projects are there in your company. If there are no projects in your company related to that, then your manager will not be able to help you. But that is the best time during the appraisal when you are having a conversation. If you're not having a conversation during appraisal, then you can, whenever you have a conversation with your manager at some point, say that, I want to speak to you for 5-10 minutes, and tell him that, this is what you learned. If you also got a certification or whatever, show him the certificate, tell him that this is what, and I want to progress in this area, can you help me? Always say, can you help me, instead of asking for a project. Okay, and your project manager will think about it. Don't expect an answer immediately. Wait a little bit, because the project manager will have to think about your replacement and everything before shifting you into the right projects. Okay, so that is the way you can do it. I hope, Vineet, I answered your question. If you are out of college, get a job. There is no other thing. Do whatever you want to do, but first get a job. Okay, so thank you very much for coming live on this channel with me, Musings with Engineer. Next live will happen Thursday 9:15 p.m. Thank you very much. Have a good day.